Looking to strengthen your Agile project management skills? Achieve an AgilePM Foundation certification and build the core skills to succeed in today's fast-changing project environments. On this ILX course, you'll learn how Agile teams work, dive into the approach's core principles, explore the full project lifecycle, and understand how Scrum integrates with Agile project management. With a focus on leadership, collaboration, communication, and risk-aware planning, you'll leave this training with the skills needed to effectively manage change and deliver results more efficiently. Perfect for aspiring Agile practitioners, project professionals, or anyone looking to boost their career with an internationally recognized certification. This course includes accredited training, tutor support, the official exam, and flexible learning options such as e-learning, live virtual, and in-person classroom training. Take the next step in your Agile career with AgilePM Foundation from ILX.